Code D, part 9 of 14, bulb casing. Create a new file. Select model template. Select the unit inches. Enter the name, bulb casing. Click OK. Create a sketch. In YZ datum plane. Click OK. Select profile tool. Start from XC0. YC distance 0.0515 inches. Draw a vertical line of 0.1135 inches, angle 90 degree. Draw a horizontal line of 0.487 inches, angle 0 degree. Draw a vertical line of 0.07 inches, angle 90 degree. Draw a horizontal line of 0.345 inches, angle 0 degree. Increase the dimension text. Move the dimensions away. Select the profile tool. Start from our sketch origin. Enter the horizontal distance of 0.732 inches, angle 0 degree, and complete our sketch. This is our profile for our revolve section. Right click, finish the sketch. Select revolve to specify the vector. Select y-axis for rotation. Click OK. Now hide the sketch. Now create a hole. Select a simple hole. To specify the point, select the sketch section. Select the face of the revolution. Click OK. Now create a point here. New dimension from the vertical axis. Edit this dimension to 0.19 inches. Right click, finish the sketch. Select the limit value. Enter the hole depth. 0.637. Specify vector. Select y-axis. Now enter the hole diameter 0.135 inches. Depth value 0.637. Subtract from the Boolean operation. Click OK. Right click. Orient view to trimetric. Save the file. File, close all parts. This completes code D, part 9 of 14, bulb casing.